Hello, Grade 1. Our lesson today is about negative integer powers. Okay, firstly, or the first rule is if you have a number and this number with the negative power, like a power negative n, it will be equals 1 over a power n. Okay, so firstly, you have here a negative power. If you want to turn it and be positive power, so you should get the multiplicative inverse of this number. So you have here a power negative n over 1. So if you wanted to the power to be positive, it will be 1 over a power n. I wanted to tell you from where this rule. For example, if you have 2 power negative 3, okay, from this rule, 2 power negative 3, I want the power be positive. So I will make it as 1 over 2 power 3. Okay, so should turn the negative power to be positive power. By what? By get the reciprocal, or by getting sorry the reciprocal, or by getting the multiplicative inverse. It's 2 power negative 3 over 1. If you want the power to be positive, it will be 1 over 2 power 3. Okay. From where, if you analyze this, so you'll find 2 power negative 3. It's from where? It was 2 power 0 over 2 power 3. Why? Because if you wanted to divide this, so you will divide, you have the same base, so it will be 2, and you will start to subtract the power 0 minus 3. So the answer will be 2 power 0 minus 3 equals negative 3. Okay, let's start to find the value of this. 2 power 0 equals 1. And 2 power 3 equals 2 power 3. Okay, or 8, no problem. So, did you understand that 2 power negative 3 is the same 1 over 2 power 3. But here is the negative sign and here is the positive sign or the positive power. So the most important rule in this lesson that if you have the power the negative power, you should turn it to be positive power by getting the reciprocal or by getting the multiplicative inverse of number. So the first rule is a power negative n equals 1 over a power n, because here is negative power. I want to turn it to be positive, so it will be 1 over a power n. The same, if you have here a power negative n or all power n, so you have here two powers. So it will be 1 over a power n. From where we said before that if I have two powers, I will multiply them together. So it will be a power negative n by m equals negative nm. Yes, I want the negative sign to be positive. I don't want it to be negative power. I want a positive power. So it will be, get the multiplicative inverse, it will be 1 over a power nm. Let's start to answer. Question number A, 4 power negative 2. I wanted the negative power to be positive power. Here is 4 over 1, so it will be 1 over 4 power 2. That's excellent. Get the answer, so it will be 1 over 16. Question number B, 5 power negative 3. 5 power negative 3. I want to be or to make it as a positive power, not negative power. So instead of being 5 power negative 3 over 1, it will be 1 over 5 power 3 to be positive. Hmm. Let's get the answer. So it will be 1 over 125. Question number C, 3 power negative 2 multiplying by 3 power 1. Okay, if you have multiplication operation or division operation, from my point of view, if you see a negative power or positive power, no problem. Just do the operation firstly, and after that start to simplify. Start to simplify. Like this example. Number C, you have here 3 power negative 2 multiplying by 3 power 1. First step, you have the same base. Yes? So you will add the power. Let's add the power, so it will be 3 power negative 2 plus 1 equals 3 power. Negative 2 plus 1 equals negative 1. After getting the answer, you should simplify it. No problem from simplifying it. 3 power negative 1, it will be what? 1 over 3. 1 over 3 power 1 or power positive 1, which is 3. Number D, 7 power negative 6 multiplying by 7 power negative 3. As we said, so we will do the operation firstly and after that start to simplify. So you have here 7 power negative 6 multiplying by 7 power negative 3. You have the same base? Yes. So you will add the power. So it will be 7 power negative 6 plus negative 3. So the answer will be 7 power. Negative 6 positive by negative equals negative. So negative 6 minus 3 equals negative 9. So the final answer is 7 power negative 9. So the answer will be, I want the negative power be positive power. So it will be 1 over 7 power 9. Excellent. Number E, 6 power negative 5 divided by 6 power 5. It will be what? Let's start to do the operation. You have the same base, so it will be 6 power. You are dividing, so you will subtract the power. So it will be negative 5 plus or minus, minus 5. So it will be 6 power negative 5 minus 5, which is 6 power negative 5 minus 5 equals negative 5. To simplify it, so you should make the power positive, not negative sign with negative sign. So it will be 6 power negative 10 equals 1 over 6 power 10. Here is 6 power negative 10 over 1, so you should get the reciprocal, yes? So it will be 1 over 6 power 10. Let's start to answer number F. 3 power negative 8 divided by 3 power negative 10. 3 and 3, so we have the same base, so I will subtract the power because I'm dividing. So negative 8 minus negative 10. Don't forget that you have negative 10 in the other number or other side. So it will be 3 power. Negative 10 minus negative. Negative by negative equals 1. Negative 8 plus 10 equals 2. So it will be 3 power 2, which is equal to 1. Number G, I will read this number to be able to answer number G. Okay. 3a power 5 all power negative 1. First step, you have here 3a power 5 all power negative 1. I wanted to be all power positive 1, not negative 1. I wanted to turn the negative power to be positive 5. So get the reciprocal. It is 3a power 5 over 1. So it will be, yes, excellent, 1 over 3a power 5. After that, all will be power 1. Yeah, will be power 1. So it's not necessary to write all power 1. It will be directly 1 over 3a power 5. Okay. Number X, you have here 2 over 3 all power negative 1. Yes, okay. I want it to be the power, I want to make the power be positive, not negative. So instead of being 2 over 3 power negative 1, it will be 3 over 3 power 1, which is 3 over 2. Okay, you have here 2 over 3 all power negative 1. We deal with each other that when you wanted to get the positive power, so you will get the reciprocal. Here is 2 over 3. So what is the reciprocal of this fraction? 3 over 2 power 1. All power 1, so it will be 3 over 2. Question number I. 5 over 7 all power negative 2. I want it to be negative. No, I want it to be positive. So it will be, instead of being 5 over 7, we deal with each other. But when you wanted to get the positive power, so get the reciprocal or get the multiplicative inverse. So instead of being 5 over 7, it will be 7 over 5 all power 2. 7 over 5 all power 2, we will distribute the power. Yes, so it will be 7 over 2, which is equal 49 over 5 power 2, which is equal 25. Number 3, you have here 2 over 3 power negative 2 and 2 over 3 power 5. You have the same base, so make it easy to answer it directly. So you have here 2 over 3 power negative 2 multiplying by 2 over 3 power 5. It will be 2 over 3 whole power. You multiply, so you will add the power. So negative 2 plus 5. Negative 2 plus 5 equals 3. So it will be 2 over 3 whole power 3. So it's not by negative sign, it's by positive sign, so no problem. So you're starting to distribute the power or value that is 2 over 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 over 3, or use the calculator, it's up to you, no problem. So it will be 8 over 3 power 3, 20. So the answer will be 8 over 20. Number K, 1 over 5 all power negative 7 multiplying by 1 over 5 power 6. You have here the same base, yes, which is 1 over 5. Okay, so that we are multiplying, so we will add the power. Negative 7 plus 6, negative 7 plus 6. Sorry for the handwriting. So it will be 1 over 5 all power. Negative 6 plus, negative 7 plus 6 equals negative 1. So the answer will be 1 over 5 power negative 1. I want it to be with negative sign? No, I want it to be with positive sign. So it will be, instead of being 1 over 5, get the multiplicative inverse 5 over 1. Power, instead of being power negative 1, it will be power positive 1. So it will be 5 over 1, power of positive 1, equals 5 over 1 equals 5, 5 power 1, 5. So the answer will be 5. Question number J. Question number L. 7 over 9 all power negative 2. So step number 1, it's power negative sign. No, I want it to be power positive sign. So instead of being 7 over 9, it will be 9 over 7 all power. All power is negative 2. It will be all power positive 2. Just to distribute the power. So it will be 9 power 2 over 7 power 2. 9 power 2, 81. Over 7 power 2 equals 49. So it will be 81 over 49. Okay, the next question, number 1. If a power negative 1 equals 2 over 3, choose the correct answer. Then a equals 1. So first you have your positive, negative power. I want you to turn it to be positive power. It's a power negative 1. I want it to be a power 1. So I will get the reciprocal, yes. A power negative 1, 2 over 3. So a power positive 1, it will be 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Question number 2, if a equals 7 power 6 x and b equals 7 power negative x, then a multiplying by b equals what? First we started to substitute by the values of the numbers. So you have here a equals 7 power x, put it 7 power x. Multiplying by b equals 7 power negative x, so I will multiply it by 7 power negative x. Like we did with each other, do the operation firstly. 7 and 7, so it will be 7. You are multiplying, so add the power, so it will be x plus negative x. Yes, positive by negative equals negative, so it will be x minus x. So 7 power x minus x. Any number minus the same number. X minus x is 0. So it will be 7 power 0. 7 power 0 equals what? Yes, excellent, equals 1. Question number 3. 5 power x over 5 power negative 1. It will be 5 and 5. So you have the same base, okay. And we are dividing, so I will subtract the powers. So it will be 5 powers. X minus negative 1. Can you guess the answer? Yes, excellent. Negative multiplying by negative equals positive. So it will be 5 power x plus 1. Yes. Okay, question number 4. Let's start from to simplify. You have your a 6a power 2 x power 4 over 2a power 3 x power 3. Step by step, start by the number, start by after that the variable with the same base. So 6 divided 2 equals 3. A power 2 divided a power 3 equals a power 2 minus 3. X power 4 divided x power 3 equals x power 4 minus 3. Let's start to simplify them. Yes, it will be 3. A power 2 minus 3, a power negative 1. X power 4 minus 3, it will be x power 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So it will be x power 1. Can you simplify? So it will be what? 3, okay, 3. You write here 3, okay. X, okay. What is the meaning of a power negative 1? It means 1 over a power positive 1. Yeah, you get the result because it is a power negative 1 over 1. So we want it to be to have or to get the positive power, so that they get the result written. So it will be 1 over a power 1. So it will be 3x multiplying by 1 equal to 3x over a power 1. So the answer will be 3x over. Question number 5, if you have your negative 2 s power 2 c all power 3 over negative 4 s c power 2 all power 3. Okay, so first step, we did with each other that try to finish the operation first. But you have here the same base, you have here the same base, you have here s to power 2 c, but this is s c power 2. So you have the same base to start to subtract the powers because you are dividing. No, here is s power 2, here is s. C, here is c power 2. So you don't have the same base. Okay, what should we do? We should distribute the power and start to simplify after that. So I will start to distribute the power. Here you have your negative sign, power 3, so we will fix negative because it is an odd number. 2 power 3 equals 8. So we will distribute it step by step. 2 power 3, so to distribute 3, first, second, third. So it will be 2 power 3. S. S power 2, all power 3. You have 2 powers, so you will multiply the 2 powers, yes? So 2 by 3 equals 6. Here is 2 power 3, it will be t power 3. Sorry, not 2, t. T power 3, it will be t power 3 over. Let's start to simplify the denominator. You have your negative sign and an even number. So you will cancel the negative sign. Okay, 4 power 2. 4 power 2. You will distribute 2 among 4 as t power 2. So it will be 4 power 2 s power 2 t power. You have your t power 2. Power 2, 2 by 2, 4. Let's start to simplify. Negative divided positive, it will be negative. After that, start to simplify the numbers together. After simplifying the number, simplify the variable. Okay, so you have here 2 power 3 divided 4 power 2. If you make it in the calculator, you will find them that it's 1 over 8. Sorry, 1 over 2. Because here is 8 and 2 power 3, 8 and 4 power 2, 16. 8 divided 16 equals half. So we have here negative half. Okay. After that, s to the power 6 divided s power 2. You have here the same base, s and s. We started to subtract the power. 6 minus 2, 4. So it will be s power 4. And after that, t power 3 divided by t power 4, it will be t power 3 minus 4, which is t power negative 1. When you write t power negative 1, instead of writing t power negative 1, you can write 1 over t power 1 or 1 over t because t power 1 equals t. So instead of writing t power negative 1, you can write it as 1 over t. 1 over t, so you write it in the denominator. So the final answer will be that s power 4 negative, yes, of course, negative, s power 4 over 2t. This part. So negative s power 4 over 2t. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.